Hello and welcome to Prudent News. First, a look at the headlines. RBI to issue instructions to bank in Goa for loan relaxation to mining dependents, warned assurance from Goa government that business will restart soon. Ponda police raid another godown of accused Sachin Naik, sees a register, details of self-help groups. Education department starts independent probe. Chief Minister has long way to go to achieve overall excellence. Goa ranks last in agriculture and education, ranks 7th in overall in India today's survey. Former PWD Minister Churchill Alamov raises issue of Daboli Airport again, demands sanction on paper for both the airports from Civil Aviation Ministry. And Manvinder Bisla denies IPL has superseded importance of Ranji Trophy. Kolkata Knight Riders star feels Goa can do well in Ranji this season. And now the news in detail. RBI will issue instructions to banks in Goa to give relaxation in loan payment to mining dependent people. This decision was taken after a meeting of mining dependents with RBI officials in Mumbai on Tuesday. RBI is expecting an assurance from state government that business will restart soon. Deputy Governor of Premier Bank said that such an assurance will help them to take concrete decisions.
Barge owners, truck owners and heavy machinery businessmen met RBI officials in Mumbai. They demanded relaxation in loan payment by the mining dependent people. GCCI's delegation accompanied the dependents. GCCI President Mangarish Pairaikar said that the meeting ended on positive note and necessary instructions will be passed on to banks in Goa on Wednesday.
आम्ही आज डेप्युटी गव्हर्नर आनंद सिन्हा रिझर्व्ह बँकेचे ताचे बरोबर तांचे सहकारी म्हणजे बाकीचे जे हाय लेवल ऑफिशियल्स आशिल्ले हांचे कडेन आमची बरी एका वराची सुमार मिटींग जाली आणि तांणी आमी सांगितलं मागीर आमच्यो पळय मागण्यो तांच्या मुखार आमी जे दवरल्यो ताजेर तांणी अनुकूलता दाखयली तांणी तांकां फाल्यांच इन्स्ट्रक्शनां कितें आसा म्हणटा ती पावयतले ते
इन्स्ट्रक्शन कितें आसपाक शकता म्हणजे इन्स्टॉलमेंट
म्हणजे स्टँडर्ड लोन अशें कन्सिडर करून तांकां कितें बाबा एक थोडे ते मॉनिटरियम बी दिवपाचो बी ते कितें करितले ते
ओके
म्हणजे थोडो तरी ब्रिथींग पिरियड मेळटलो
ओके
तर तांणी आमकां सल्लो दिला की लोकल गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन आमी वचून तांचे कडेन आमी हे करचें की बाबा हे धंदो बेगीन चालू करपा खातीर कितें तरी पावलां उचलात.
Although indications are positive, RBI wants Goa government to assure them that the business will restart within a stipulated time. Deputy Governor of RBI Anand Sinha clarified such an assurance will help RBI to take concrete decision.
पण तेंच्यानी अशें म्हटलां गव्हर्मेंटान एश्युरन्स दिवचे पडटले की मायनिंग बेगीन स्टार्ट जातले म्हणून
ना त्यांनी कंडिशन घालू ना
पण अशें म्हटलां बी तेंच्यानी
ना त्यांनी ऍडवाइस कितें केला की तुम्ही बँक गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन प्रयत्न करपाक जाय की बिझनेस जितले जाता तितले बेगीन स्टार्ट जावचो म्हणून दॅट इज करेक्ट नो
ओके
बिकॉज बँक्स कॅनॉट गिव्ह इंडेफिनेट कन्सेशन स्टेट लेवलचे बँकर्स आसा न्ही त्यांच्या बद्दल एक मिसकन्सेप्शन आशिल्लो की एकदा जर लोन रिस्ट्रक्चर जातकूच सेकंड रिस्ट्रक्चरिंग जावपाक शकना म्हणून तो त्यांनी डाऊट आमचो क्लियर केलो आणि त्याने सांगले कितें बँकेक फुल पावर्स आसा एज पर द रिझर्व्ह बँक गायडलायन्स की दुसऱ्या फावटी पासून रिस्ट्रक्चर करपाक शकता सो हे त्यांनी मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट क्लियर केला एज पर प्रुडेन्शियल गायडलायन्स मागीर आमी तांकां सांगले की जे बँकेक जो डाऊट आसा तो क्लियर तुम्ही करपाक जाय कित्याक बँकाक दिसता की तो सेकंड रिस्ट्रक्चरिंग जावपाक शकना म्हणून सो तांच्यांनी सांगला की ओके दे विल कॉल द रिजनल डायरेक्टर ऑफ रिझर्व्ह बँक आणि तांकां सांगतले की गोंयच्या बँकांक स्टेट लेवल बँकर्स जे कोण आसा तांकां सांगून ते इन्स्टिट्युशनांक सगळ्यांक कोऑपरेटिव्ह बँकांक इन्स्ट्रक्शन दितले की रिस्ट्रक्चरिंग करपाक शकता म्हणून बँकेन प्रत्येकान आपापलो डिसिजन बँकेक घेवचो पडटलो.
Mahesh Gard represented truck owners, whereas Sandeep Parav was present with the delegation on behalf of heavy machinery owners. With bureau inputs, our senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
It is now clear that the rice found in Sachin Naik's Godam was indeed from midday meal. Ponda police raided another Godam and house of accused Sachin Naik and seized certificates of self-help groups. However, self-help groups have denied that they ever supplied rice to Sachin Naik. Education Department has started independent probe into the matter. Meanwhile, MLA Deepak Dhavlikar has alleged that previous government was responsible for rice scam and demanded strict action against the culprits.
Education Department has prepared report on the alleged racket involving sale of rice procured for the midday meal scheme. 4 self-help groups from Ponda are allegedly involved into this scam. On Tuesday, they were summoned by Joint Education Director Anil Pawar.
They have denied that it is not their letter. They have not given to any letter, and rice is also not there. So we are inquiring. तुम्ही ते तुमची नाव सांगतात. तुम्ही त्यांना दिली का म्हणते ना म्हणता.
हां ती ना म्हणतात
ना म्हणता आम्ही त्यांना किती दिली लेटर आमच्याकडे तसा म्हणती आम्ही जेव्हा किती त्यांना लेटर दिता पण आम्ही 3 लेटर दिता नी एक मामलेदाराक एक आमगे लेडी आहे आणि एक सर्कल ग्रुपाक टू कलेक्ट द राईस फ्रॉम द सप्लाय गोडाऊन ते दाखवते आम्ही राईस घेतलं म्हणता तुम्ही आणि आम्ही उपयोग केला आमगेले आम्ही जेवण दिला नाही का म्हणून
हां भुरग्यांक दिले म्हणता जेवण
हय जेवण दिलं म्हणता
हां सो म्हणजे ती म्हणता ते सचिन नायकाक आम्ही दिवकूच ना
ना ना ना
ओके ओके आणि
आता ती आमचं सांगता आम्ही ऐकूच पडले.
Similarly, Civil Supplies Department has asked detailed report from Ponda Police in regards to the alleged rice scam. Department has asked how much quantity is supplied to the accused Sachin Naik, how the rice reached to Sachin Naik and any role of Civil Supplies Department officials in the scam. Police will submit its report on Wednesday to the Civil Supplies Department. The same report will be submitted to the Civil Supplies Secretary. Meanwhile, DYSP Dinraj Govekar along with his team conducted raid at Bori Godam belonging to accused Sachin Naik. They seized a register from Godam. Police also seized self-help group certificates from the house of the accused. On the other side, prior MLA Deepak Dhavlikar has alleged that previous government is responsible for rice scam. He has demanded strict action against the culprits.
कितलेशा वर्सां चलता हे आमी आयकल्ले पूण तेजेर कोणीच कारवाई करूं नाशिल्ली. ह्या सरकारान योग्य ती जबाबदारी घेवन ही कारवाई केल्ली आसा आनी जे कोण कल्प्रीट आसा ताका आमी सोडचे ना. ह्या बद्दल मुख्यमंत्र्याक आमी सांगिल्लें आसा आनी ती कारवाई जातली.
Our reporter Mahesh Ghadi and Vivek Prabhu for Prudent Media.
Seems like Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has to go a long way to turn his dream into reality, especially when it comes to revival of agro and education sector. Yes, CM has a dream to win the overall award of India Today's State of States conclave next year. But although Goa won Best State Award for Governance and Macroeconomy, Goa is last in agriculture and education and is overall ranked 7th. Watch this report.
की वनू फक्त गुड गव्हर्नन्स आणि मॅक्रो फायनान्स मॅक्रो इकॉनॉमीचेर मेळ्ळा. फुडल्या वर्सा वी विल ट्राय फॉर द ओवरऑल परफॉर्मन्स ऑल्सो.
This was Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar's first reaction after receiving the Best State Award for Governance and Macroeconomy in India Today's State of the State Conclave. He wants to achieve the overall top award of India Today's State of the State Conclave for next year. But seems like there is a long way to go for CM to turn his dream into a reality. Have a look. These are Goa's ranking according to India Today's ratings. Overall, 7. Agriculture, 10. Consumer market, 2. Education, 10. Governance, 1. Health, 5. Infrastructure, 2. Investment, 4. Macroeconomy, 1. Though Goa tops in governance and macroeconomy, Goa is on the last rank when it comes to agriculture and education. CM has to climb 6 more steps to win the overall award. Incidentally, both the portfolios are with the Chief Minister. A reporter from Panji Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.